broadcast with this big breaking news coming in day before crucial AIIMS forensic probe report in what seems to be sheer negligence on part of Mumbai police or the medical board which conducted autopsy on late Bollywood star Sushant Singh Rajput. The all-important viscera extracted from the body was not preserved properly. As per reports, the viscera received by the Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology at the AIIMS is of very less quantity and degenerated. Mumbai Police and Cooper Hospital is to be blamed for this negligence. Just a day before the crucial probe report is expected, this is a massive development. In fact, the biggest proof of cover-up is out now. The viscera sample was not properly preserved. Let's go across to Siddhant, who's joining us with more details. And this, in fact, is a very, very crucial stage, a very crucial test as far as the viscera sample is concerned. Now we are being told that the viscera sample was not properly preserved. Whose fault is it?
Well, that's absolutely right, because, what we have been telling our viewers till now was that 75% of the viscera which was collected after the post-mortem have already been used by the Kalina Forensic Labs in Mumbai. Now, this is a fresh news of information, and this information suggests that the viscera samples are not up to these standards. Now, these were the viscera taken from pancreas, intestine, and it is a responsibility of the forensic labs to preserve it properly. But now we've been given to understand from the AIIMS hospital, those who have been given the responsibility of forensics by the CBI, that the viscera were not up to the standards to do more forensic testing by the AIIMS doctors. Now you see, the entire CBI investigation relies upon the AIIMS forensic report. They play a very crucial role. After a week, they are going to meet CBI officials, and there would be a panel meeting that is going to take place. Now, a week before that meeting, we have this story where viscera samples were damaged and they were not they were not preserved properly. And not just that, Swati, we can also add this piece of information that already 75% of viscera was used. So all these are some questions which surely goes out to Maharashtra government, as forensic labs doesn't come under Mumbai police, it comes under Maharashtra government. It's a very separate autonomous body.
Absolutely.
So the question
Siddhant, we
really
also have
goes out for
Kajal and Imran on the broadcast. Let's go across to them as well. Kajal, the family and friends of Sushant Singh Rajput believe that there's some sort of foul play. They don't want to accept the suicide theory. And this particular test, the toxicology test, as far as the viscera sample is concerned, is key to conclude the cause of death.
Yes, in fact, it is very important to figure out the cause of death. And we had also reported earlier that of the viscera, only 20% was preserved, because 80% had to be used in the first test that the Mumbai police itself conducted. So only 20% was remaining anyway. And that 20% is not going to be very, very conclusive to use for another test. And that seems to be what they have also concluded right now, that it's the sample is not enough. And not just that, because time has passed, it has also degenerated. So it will actually cause hurdles in the investigation, because unless the cause of death is determined correctly, one cannot rule whether it is suicide or homicide.
Absolutely. Let me also bring in Imran. Now, even that 20% was not preserved properly. That's the crux of the story. That the viscera sample, the 20%, whatever was left over, handed over to the forensic department of AIIMS, degenerated. That's what we're being told.
Swati, there is very clearly, important we need to understand is that all eyes are now on the AIIMS report, which was said that finally the conclusive report will come in Sushant Singh Rajput's case. Now this report is coming up that the viscera sample was not preserved to the extent which should have been preserved. Number two, it is starting to degenerate. That means that toxicologically they are not be able to give a conclusive report, what we're getting to understand. Number 2 point is that it was done by 5 doctors here in Mumbai, 3 from the Cooper Hospital, two from the Department of Toxicology. Now, what is important is that the Mumbai police, which questioned everyone, initially the doctors said that it is death due to hanging, but further samples and tests are needed. So what is important is that the Mumbai police, which went about questioning everybody, but didn't go for further tests of the viscera samples. Why didn't they go for that, and how did it degenerate? What was the reason for what the extent of which is needed was not kept, is what very crucial questions are there arising at this point of time. Now, what is important is that what will be the AIIMS final report after they have come to know that the viscera sample is not to the extent and it is degenerating? Will this impact on the final conclusion
Absolutely.
of the case regarding Sushant Rajput, whether it was hanging or
pertinent
there is
question
also
that you're asking, Imran. And what we know so far, as far as the AIIMS panel is concerned, is that the report is going to be conclusive. There will be no room for doubt. Let's see what we get to know as far as the panel report is concerned. Thank you very much, Kajal, Siddhant and Imran, for joining us with those details.